Want to whip up a healthy dinner in just 30 minutes? We're talking restaurant quality, packed with flavor, and on the table before you can say delivery app. Get your aprons ready, because we're about to turn your kitchen into a lean, mean, healthy eating machine. First up, we're tackling a classic, grilled chicken salad. This isn't just any salad, it's a hearty, flavorful meal that will leave you satisfied. Start with a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These are the stars of our dish, so make sure they're fresh and high quality. Give them a good drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt and pepper, and then really work it in there. Massage those flavors into the meat to ensure every bite is delicious. While that's resting, let's prep the veggies. Fresh, crisp vegetables are what make this salad pop. Chop up some romaine lettuce, slice some cucumber and tomatoes, maybe some red onion for a bit of bite. The more colorful, the better. If you want to add some bell peppers or a bit of avocado, go for it. Make this salad your own. Personalize it with your favorite veggies. Get your grill pan screaming hot and lay the chicken down gently. You want to hear that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor being locked in. Cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side depending on the thickness. Make sure it's cooked through but still juicy. While the chicken rests, whisk together a simple vinaigrette, olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, a touch of honey, salt and pepper. This dressing will tie all the flavors together. Toss those gorgeous greens and veggies with your dressing. Make sure everything is well coated for maximum flavor. Slice the chicken on the diagonal, lay it over the salad, and boom, a restaurant-quality dish ready in minutes. Perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Next up, we're taking on Takeout with a quinoa and veggie stir-fry that's ready faster than you can say prawn crackers. Imagine a meal that's not only quick but also packed with nutrients and flavor. First things first, get your quinoa cooking. Quinoa is a fantastic base because it's high in protein and cooks up fluffy and light. 1 cup of quinoa to 2 cups of water, bring it to a boil, then drop it to a simmer and cover. Let it cook for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Grab a wok or a large skillet and crank up the heat. The key to a good stir-fry is high heat, which helps to sear the veggies quickly. Add a splash of sesame oil, then toss in some chopped garlic and ginger. These aromatics will infuse the oil with incredible flavor. Let that sizzle for a few seconds to release the aroma. The smell of garlic and ginger cooking is simply irresistible. Now, it's time for the veggies. Fresh, colorful vegetables not only add nutrition but also make the dish visually appealing. I'm using broccoli florets, sliced bell peppers, snap peas, and some chopped carrots. Feel free to use any veggies you have on hand. Once the veggies are almost cooked, add a tablespoon of soy sauce, a splash of honey for sweetness, and a pinch of chili flakes for a kick. This combination creates a perfect balance of flavors. Fluff up the quinoa and add it straight to the pan. The quinoa will soak up all the delicious flavors from the stir-fry. Toss everything together and you've got yourself a stir-fry that's healthy, delicious, and ready in a flash. It's a perfect meal for busy weeknights or when you want something quick and satisfying. Finally, we're finishing strong with a dish so elegant you'd think it came straight out of a Michelin-starred kitchen. This is a recipe that combines simplicity with sophistication, making it perfect for any occasion. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your salmon and asparagus cook evenly and to perfection. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. This not only prevents sticking but also makes for an easy cleanup. Drizzle a little olive oil on the parchment, then lay your salmon fillets on top. The olive oil adds a rich flavor and helps keep the salmon moist. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a refreshing tang that complements the richness of the salmon. Snap off the woody ends of your asparagus spears. This ensures that you only use the tender, flavorful parts of the vegetable. Toss them in a bowl with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. The garlic powder adds a subtle depth of flavor. Spread them around the salmon on the baking sheet. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully as they cook. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes depending on the thickness of your salmon. You'll know it's done when the salmon flakes easily with a fork. Plate up that gorgeous salmon and asparagus, maybe add a wedge of lemon for extra zing. The vibrant colors make for a stunning presentation. There you have it, a restaurant-quality dish that's easy enough for a weeknight dinner but impressive enough for a dinner party. Enjoy the elegance and simplicity of this delightful meal. There you have it. 3 incredibly easy, healthy, and delicious dinners that you can whip up in 30 minutes or less. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more quick and tasty meal ideas. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be a chore. Now go on, get cooking.